It says there's a dirty video head.
Oh, whatever. We'll just take it out. I haven't really made anything that small. Well, what's going on here? There it is. Rise. Is it taping? Okay. We're on page 23 and we're doing guided practice 1 to 14, exercises 1 to 16. And let's start with Charlie. What are the directions for number 1 and 2 on page 23?
Which Charlie?
Charlie Kinney.
Refer to the text on pages 22 to 24.
Okay, we have a new Charlie. State the identity property of addition in words. Going back to the other Charlie, Kidding. How would you say the identity property of addition in your own words?
Anything plus zeros itself.
Okay, that's good. Don't go past the fold. Anything, in this case, probably a number, plus 0 equals itself. Some other ways of saying it. This is fine. Do not go past the fold, but your paper is folded. And half. Number 3, what are the directions now, Wes?
Name the property shown by each statement.
Okay, look to see what's happening and then identify the property. They're listed on across the page and one is at the top of this page. What property is that? They changed the order of the numbers. Wes? What property is that?
Oh, community.
Pardon me?
Community property?
Commutative? The spelling is correct in your book, so please spell it right. Number 5, what property is that one, Zach?
Associated.
Good, they changed, the order of the numbers is the same, so it can't be commutative, but they did change the grouping symbols. That is the associative. Number 7, what property is that? Looks like they changed the order of the letters. Grant?
Number 7 is the commutative property.
Right. And the directions for 9 through 12, Hannah?
Replace each blank with a number that makes the statement true.
Okay, use your 3 properties and figure out what the missing number should be. So in number 9, the blank has to be
56.
56. They're changing the order. Number 11, what has to go in that blank? Jonathan?
31.
31. They didn't change the order, just the grouping symbols. And the directions for 13 through 18, Betsy, what do we do now?
Use the properties to find each sum method.
So what you do here is you use the commutative property and associative property, put together the numbers that make multiples of 10. So you can add. So looking at 13, 30, what add together? Makes them all. Look at the last digits, which 2 of them add up to a 10. We only got 2 choices. Pick one. Either you're wrong or you're right. 14. 36 and 14, 6 and 4 make 10, carry it. You got 50, right? Mm-hmm. And 50 plus 48 is how much? Right. And 14 is real easy. It's just the identity number. So Ryan, what's the answer to that?
147.
Good. And for some reason, I didn't go to 18, so you can stop at What did I do 14 for? Don't ask me, erase that thing. You're doing just the odds, 14 belongs across from 13. Okay, now we're on the exercises. Number 1 through 6, what are the directions there, Maggie?
Replace each blank with the number that makes the statement true.
So number 1 would be
37.
37, they're changing the order, commutative. Number 3, what's the missing number? Cole?
5.
5, changing grouping symbols. And 5, what's the missing number? Colette?
29.
29. And the directions to the last part, Caitlin?
Use the properties to find each cell mentioned.
So we're trying to get tens in some form or another. Number 7, what 2 would you add together first?
29 and 71.
Which makes
90,
more than 90.
but 100.
100 plus the 14.
114.
Right. Number 9, what 2 would you add together? Think of money. That would give you a whole amount of dollars. Faith?
1.4 and 3.6.
Which adds up to,
7.
plus the 1 that 4 and 6 makes, so that'd be 8, right? And 8 plus 1.9 is
9.9.
good. Number 11, that's just the identity number, so the answer is, Luke?
155.
Right. Number 13, we've got 4 numbers. What 2 would you add first together? Caleb?
What was the question?
What 2 would you add first?
68 and 23.
Wrong problem. 13.
Oh. 15 and 41.
No, that would make a multiple of 10. 41 and what? I want to do it mentally. 41 and what makes a multiple of 10?
Oh, 41 and 9.
That's 50, plus the 50 already there makes what?
100.
And plus the 15?
115.
Right. Number 15. Think of money. What 2 would you add together first? Mary Kate?
7.5.
7.5 and 5.5 make a total of what? $13, good. And the 2.4 and the 3.6 make a total of? So the answer is 19, right? I'm pushing you because you got quiz corrections to make sure you get done. And that's it, isn't it? All right, stop that thing.